Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install VLC media player on your Mac. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So first of all, you have to open any of your web browsers. Here I'm going to open the built-in Safari web browser. And after that, you have to type on the search bar VLC media player download. And after that, you will see some interface like this. Normally, you have to choose the official website. So I have to choose this videoland.org website and wait a few seconds until it is fully loaded. And here you will see a default icon, download VLC. It will automatically select your device's ID and provide you the exact download button you need. Just click on it and then the file is going to be downloaded on your Mac OS. If it's not going to download on your Mac automatically, then you have to click on this click here. Here you can see that it is going to download automatically on my Mac. So I'm clicking on this allow button. And now here you can see that the file is downloading here. Now double click on it. And then you will see a pop-up window. Just a moment. I'm gonna minimize it. Here is the pop-up window. Just select the icon and drag it into the applications folder. And here you can see that it is going to be installed on my Mac. That's it. Now, if I click on this launchpad option and try to search here VLC, here is my VLC media player. I'm gonna click on this open button, clicking on this open again. And just a few seconds. Here you can see that the VLC media player has been installed on my Mac. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.